Today I am reviewing the Skytech Prism 4 Gaming PC Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. Today we're diving into a seriously powerful machine, the Skytech Prism 4 Gaming PC Desktop. If you're looking for a pre-built gaming powerhouse in 2025 that can handle 4K ultra settings, VR gaming, content creation, and more without breaking sweat, then this desktop deserves your full attention. Let's talk about what's under the hood, starting with the processor. At the heart of this build is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, clocked at 4.7 GHz with boost speeds up to 5.2 GHz. That's 8 cores and 16 threads of pure next-gen power. And thanks to AMD's 3D V-Cache technology, it offers phenomenal performance in both gaming and productivity workloads. Whether you're streaming, video editing, or deep into a competitive match, this chip keeps things ultra smooth and super responsive. Next up, the graphics card. This build features the absolute top-of-the-line NVIDIA RTX 5090 with 32 GB of GDDR5 memory. Let that sink in, 32 gigs of the fastest graphics memory available. This GPU eats up any modern game you throw at it, delivering buttery smooth frame rates at 4K ultra settings, ray tracing fully enabled, and DLSS 4 support for even more future-proofing. Whether you're jumping into Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, or a next-gen title like Black Myth Wukong, the performance is mind-blowing. Memory and storage are no less impressive. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6,000 MHz, multitasking is seamless. You can run Discord, Chrome with 20 tabs, OBS, and your game simultaneously without breaking a sweat. And for storage, you get a 2TB Gen4 NVMe solid-state drive. That means lightning-fast boot times, near-instant game loading, and enough space for all your AAA titles, software, and files. Now, cooling, because this much power needs proper thermal management. Skytech equips the Prism 4 with a 360mm all-in-one liquid cooler featuring ARGB fans. Not only does it look stunning through the tempered glass side panel, but it keeps your CPU temps incredibly low. You won't be hearing your fans screaming mid-game or during a long render. It's cool, quiet, and efficient. Speaking of looks, the case is the Prism 4C8 with curve in sleek black. It has that clean, modern aesthetic with customizable RGB lighting that lets you personalize your setup just the way you like it. Whether you're building a full gaming battle station or a content creator studio, this PC fits the vibe perfectly. On the connectivity side, you're covered with a wide range of USB ports, USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, plus HDMI and DisplayPort outputs. It also includes built-in Wi-Fi, HD audio, and even a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can get started right out of the box. In terms of software, the Prism 4 comes with a clean installation of Windows 11 Home. No bloatware, no unnecessary trial programs, just pure performance and productivity from start. And like all Skytech PCs, it's assembled and tested in the USA, backed by a 1-year warranty and free lifetime technical support. To sum it up, the Skytech Prism 4 isn't just a gaming PC. It's a future-ready workstation that brings elite specs, beautiful design, and top-tier cooling in one complete package. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a streamer, a YouTuber, or just someone who wants the best experience on the market today, this desktop delivers. If you want to check out the Skytech Prism 4 or explore more details, I've left a link in the description for you. Go ahead and take a look. It might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed reviews just like this.